everyone, and welcome to the Jamaica Inn. My name is Carrie Dean, and I'm here to share a few tidbits with how we celebrate Easter on property. Easter is always a special time at the Jamaica Inn, and it's marked by much delight and enjoyment. The weather, historically, is usually balmy breezes, high 70s, calm seas, perfect for making your own kite from scratch with one of our friendly staff. Guests are invited to participate in our annual kite flying here on property on Easter Monday. Indulge in our specially crafted chocolate martini made by our own expert mixologists on property. Or savor traditional bun and cheese served at tea time here at the Inn. There's never been a better time to celebrate the Easter holidays with us in true Jamaica Inn style.
Good afternoon and welcome back to Jamaica Inn. Today we will be making a delicious chocolate martini special for the holiday. We're going to be using some vodka, creme de cacao, and some Jamaican rum cream. Okay, first off, we start off with just an ounce of vodka. Half ounce of the creme de cacao. And half ounce of the rum cream. So, now just give it a little shake. And pour it in your martini glass. Right, perfect. And there you have it, a delicious chocolate martini.
This is our traditional Easter bun and cheese, and is a popular dish that is enjoyed by many Jamaicans during Easter time. Bun and cheese can be served at breakfast, lunch, or if you so desire, dinner. At the Jamaica Inn, you can indulge in this traditional dish for your high tea or throughout any time of the day in your stay.